Alright guys, well I got something really interesting for you today. Not far from my hunting spot, right around the corner, there's a big high fence whitetail ranch. And oh wait. I don't know if you can see him chasing over there or not, but there's some really nice bucks out here. And wow, look at that. And when I take lunch, I like to come over here and just take a look, see if I can see any of them big bucks. Well, I was driving down here yesterday and there was a big buck laying right up next to the fence, just kind of bedded down with a doe next to the fence. And I figured I'd jump out and try to do a couple calls at him just by mouth and see how he responds. And I actually got him to wheeze back at me, which was kind of interesting. So I'll show you the footage and hope you guys enjoy it. Meh. 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 Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just wanted to show you something you don't get to see every day, or you don't get to hear every day. You don't get to hear, you know, a buck wheeze in the wild very often. So if you're curious what that sounds like, you might have to turn the volume up. I don't know how good the audio came out on that, but I'll do my best to make it as loud as possible. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See ya.